Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome once again to the mess hall. And behold, it is once again a mess. But we're getting close to the end now. We're getting very close to the end. And there will be significant improvements in the Stinkbugworks as well. Anyway, I'm about to head out to Ramona, or as we like to say here in Southern California, Ramawana. And I'm going to do some drilling on a piece of property. The guy wants to put in a 3-bedroom accessory dwelling unit. He's got 4 acres that sits on a 5-acre rock. So it's going to be real hard, but I think we can put in a Presby advanced treatment system. We can do some whiz-bang stuff, and we can get a 3-bedroom septic system in a real tiny area with that. Anyway, the real reason I'm talking to you this morning is I have spoken with my laser cutter, and minimums have changed. It used to be I could do this many sheets for this much minimum price. Now I have to do more sheets for a slightly higher minimum price, but when you amortize the price out per part, it's all the same. You know, I just have to cut more parts for a minimum. Anyway, what that means is I am going to have 6, get a load of this, 6 short kits for Secret Project X. Now I'm going to build 1 or 2 of them. I'm going to send one off to Big B, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the rest. I should hang on to them and use them as a basis for modifications if I need to. I just need to see, but that's where Secret Project X is right now. I'm going to be taking parts to the laser cutter this week. So let's see, what day is today? Today is trash day, so that means it's Tuesday. So there's a good chance I could have parts by Friday or Monday at the latest. So, of course, I can't start any work because of the condition of the Stinkbugworks. But we are going to be progressing soon enough. Until then, boys and girls, jet out.